Okay, so today with me, I have the Apple Magic Trackpad. There's a reason, apart from unboxing, that I purchased this. One of the main reasons was to add this to my office workflow where I do use Logitech MX Ergo mouse, and it's an amazing mouse, to be honest. I really love that, and I've been using that for the past 4 or 5 years now. But adding this back into my office workflow is because I need to navigate to multiple windows, which is still doable with the Logitech MX Ergo, but with the use of the Magic Trackpad from Apple, I can basically do some gestures and quickly navigate to multiple windows rather than me navigating using the MX Ergo or any other mice for that matter. For home, I do have the Logitech MX Master 3 and it is quite amazing, but to be honest, I would much rather prefer using the Magic Trackpad whenever switching between multiple screens, multiple windows, because it just uses a couple of gestures for me to be able to do that. So without any further delays, let's just get into the unboxing of this product. And again, in this video, I'm just going to be unboxing. I'm not going to be setting up with my Mac because obviously my work laptop is at work. I don't have it here at home with me, so it's just going to be unboxing video today. So with Apple, there should be like a tab here that you can either tear off or pull. So we do have it right here and it's all glued. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be pulling this out, and then after that you just pull this from the side and you should be able to see the trackpad right here. It's again wrapped in a baking paper kind of material, kind of a wrapper. So what I'll do for the moment is I'm gonna set this trackpad aside and see what else you get in the box. So I'm gonna put it down here. So you basically get a USB-C to lightning cable. Sadly, Apple has not completely moved fully to the USB-C to USB-C cable. Slowly it is happening, but we're not sure when it's gonna happen across the board. So you still get the lightning cable, an old memory that you can still remember. You also get some sort of a manual right here, which basically you don't need to read it. All you need to do is, if you've purchased the Magic Trackpad, is once you take this baking paper kind of material out, you just ensure that it's turned on. If it doesn't have any charge, ensure that your lightning cable is plugged in right here. And this is the button that you need to slide in order to turn it on. So yes, first turn it on. Then if it doesn't power on and your Mac is not detecting it, plug your lightning cable here, and then your Mac should be able to automatically detect the trackpad and the pairing process should happen automatically. So let's just take it out of the wrapper now. Whew. It does feel really good. And again, I haven't powered it on because if I do, I have a Mac at home, which is currently right there. And I don't want to pair it with my home MacBook because this is for work purpose only. It is built quite well. And the best thing about Mac Trackpad, whether it be MacBook or whether it be the Magic Trackpad, is the glass material or whatever they use. I don't know the details of exactly what they use, but it feels really good. It doesn't feel laggy. It feels very intuitive. It feels such a good thing to drag across. I really like this. I've used it in the past. I wanted to get the black one, but the black one was, I think, $10 to $20 more pricier. And also it was out of stock and the waiting time for that from the site that I was ordering was too long. So I just opted for the traditional look, the white one. So this is what I got. When you turn to the back, you can see an Apple logo here, and you have some rubber stands on the corners just so that it doesn't drag off too easily from your desk. And when I press on it here without it being powered on, there is no movement, there's no haptic feedback whatsoever, obviously, because there is no clicking mechanism. Once you turn it on and you have it all paired up, then you're gonna feel like you're actually pressing something because of the haptic feedback that will be provided from this trackpad. Then you'll feel like you're actually pressing down on something. But when it's turned off like it is now, you're not gonna feel anything. It is literally like a glass slab that, you know, you're pressing but nothing's happening. So that's all there is you get in the box for the Magic Trackpad. It's just a paperwork manual, and then you get the actual product, and then you get the cable to either charge or power your trackpad whenever it's running out of charge. That's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace.